So, OnePlus is turning up the heat once again with not one, but two new smartphones set to debut very soon, the flagship OnePlus 15 and the more budget-friendly OnePlus Ace 6. The company has officially confirmed the launch date for both phones in China, and the hype is already building. While global fans will have to wait a little longer to get their hands on these devices, leaks suggest the international release might happen sooner than expected. According to OnePlus president Louis Lee, both the OnePlus 15 and the Ace 6 will officially launch in China on October 27th. This lines up perfectly with the company's typical release cycle. For comparison, the OnePlus 13 launched in China in October 2024 before hitting global markets in January 2025. If the recent rumors are true, OnePlus might be planning to push the global launch of the OnePlus 15 earlier this time, possibly before the end of 2025. Now let's talk specs, because OnePlus isn't holding back with the OnePlus 15. The device will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, Qualcomm's latest and most powerful processor, promising significant leaps in performance and efficiency. A Geekbench listing for the phone revealed that it delivers up to 20% better performance in both single-core and multi-core tests compared to its predecessor. On top of that, it's confirmed to feature a BOE X3 Oriental display with a 1.5K resolution and an ultra-smooth 165Hz refresh rate, offering one of the sharpest and most fluid displays in the Android world. The OnePlus Ace 6, on the other hand, aims to deliver high-end performance at a more affordable price. It's rumored to pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. The device will also sport a 165Hz display, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals for gaming and daily use. One of its biggest highlights, however, is its massive 7,300 mAh battery with 120 watts fast charging, meaning you can power it up in just minutes. In terms of design, both phones take slightly different directions. The OnePlus 15 has already been showcased in earlier leaks with a sleek, premium build. The OnePlus Ace 6, however, is ditching the circular camera housing from its predecessor in favor of a pill-shaped camera module. It's expected to feature a dual rear camera setup, likely without a telephoto lens, which helps keep the cost lower. Leaked renders show it in a clean silver finish, with black and white variants also rumored. Interestingly, reports suggest that the OnePlus Ace 6 will launch globally as the OnePlus 15R, following the company's usual naming convention. So if you're outside China and eyeing this mid-range powerhouse, that's the one to watch for. With the OnePlus 15 and Ace 6 both dropping on October 27th, OnePlus looks ready to dominate multiple price segments once again, from flagship territory to affordable performance. So what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 15 and the Ace 6? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.